Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change page size here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the page size in Canva is a straightforward process that can be useful for a variety of reasons depending on your design needs. And one of the easiest way for you to do it, if you haven't already, create a design. But in my case, I already have created a thumbnail that I'm going to use after recording this video. So I'm going to work with this. All right. So the first off is, you see this magic button right here that says resize. All I have to do is click the resize option. You see, when you click that, it says you can resize your design into whatever format you need. All right, that's one way. You can choose the whatever size, like Instagram story, Instagram post, or Facebook post. You have all of these options like browse by category, social media, print products, presentations, videos, website, and whiteboard. If you click on the custom size, you see you can put in a value. For example, on the width, it's going to be like, say for example, 6. On the height, it's going to be 9, for example, for inches, millimeter, and centimeter. All right, so you have all these 60 by, for example, X is going to be like 60. And 90. All right. You see, is it going to be a square? Is it going to be like a portrait or landscape? So you have all these options. All right. Now, if you wanted, you can click on this button right here to resize and try it for free on 30 days. That's one way for you to be able to change the page size in Canva. Another option is, if you wanted, go to the home page right here, and then click on the create a design, wherein you can customize the design that you wanted instead of resizing, because it requires a pro subscription plan. If you don't have a pro subscription plan, this is your easiest way for it. For example, I'm going to be putting in like a 90, create a new design, and I'm going to upload the picture earlier. Say for example, this one right here, go to upload. I'm gonna hover this. I'm gonna zoom out for now. You see, you can of course customize the image that you wanted. All right. If you have the option to use the background remover, you can also do that. But the thing is, it also requires a pro subscription. You see this gold line, like there's like a crown. That means it requires a pro subscription. And from here, you can put in and be creative as you want. You can put in a semi background for that or something like this. Afterwards, all you have to do is click on the share button. You can download that as these formats: PNG, JPEG, PDF, standard, SVG, MP4, and GIF. Now, this feature is very useful for changing your design dimensions without having to manually adjust elements on your page by clicking on the resize. But again, it requires a premium plan. The manual page size selection is your best option to choose the preset sizes. All right. Again, you can also have the option when you go home. When you go to the homepage, all right, you have the option to see all these: YouTube thumbnail, book cover, whiteboard, video, and a lot more. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.